Hello, my dear listeners. This is your bar exam coach. I am attorney Jen Estabilio. For today's video, I will be discussing about bar tips and techniques, what every bar taker should know. So as we all know, the 2025 bar examination is fast approaching. So I am here to guide you and to help you how to navigate the bar exams, okay? For our session overview, I will be discussing about bar preparation and bar materials, navigating the Exemplify, how to effectively answer bar questions, and then English writing tips, and lastly, those and don'ts before, during, and after bar examinations. Okay, so for the first part, bar preparation. Okay, so at this time, I'm sure you all have your study schedule. Dapat meron na yan, no? However, this is my suggestion for you. Your review schedule should be from 8 a.m. to 12 noon, 1 p.m. to 5 p.m., and then 7 p.m. up to 11 p.m. Okay, so I encourage you to study in the morning. Okay, kasi ang examination nyo will be taken up in the morning. Okay, so kung kayo ay all-nighter or nagre-review sa gabi, I suggest you review in the morning or in the afternoon. Para pagdating ng bar exam, your mind is trained to think or to analyze bar questions, no? During this morning time and afternoon time. Okay? And then sleep at least 7 to 8 hours a day. Okay? It is still important to take a rest. Kasi wala kayong matututunan kung kayo ay pagod, no? Mahirap kayong makaisip ng kung ano ba isasagot kung ang inyong isipan ay stress na o pagod na, no? So it is very important to have at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep a day. Okay. And then for the review schedule, I suggest you follow or do Pomodoro technique. Okay. Alam ko, iba sa inyo, ito na yung tinatry, Pomodoro technique. So, what is this all about? So, Pomodoro technique is reviewing for at least 20 minutes. Okay? So, review kayo ng 20 minutes, focus, no breaks. Okay, then after 20 minutes, you will have a 5-minute break. Okay, so after three series of 20 minutes review and then 5-minute break, then you will have a longer break which is around 15 minutes. So ganun yung Pomodoro, no? So may naka-structured yan para kayo ay makafocus within that time frame. Okay? However, in Pomodoro, you will also have your mini breaks and then one long break. Okay, so you can incorporate that Pomodoro technique in your morning and afternoon schedule and also evening schedule. Okay, so yung 8 a.m. to 12 noon, hindi yan dire-diretso po ha. You should at least have mini breaks, okay? Next is you should, okay, read all 2025 bar bulletin and notices issued by the Supreme Court. Okay, so tingnan nyo maigi ano ba yung mga instructions para sa inyo, no, mga examinees. So, for instance, you should have what? One laptop installed with Exemplify version 3.8.0. Your notice of admission, okay? Printed copy, wag niyong kakalimutan. What else? Printed copy of honor code, fully accomplished also. Honor code, health declaration, and liability waiver, and other undertakings for the 2025 bar examinees. Okay, ilagay nyo na yan sa inyong file, sa inyong transparent bag. Okay? What else? Bring a valid ID or a law school ID, okay, for fresh graduate. What else? Prepare your packed meals, drinks, and eco-friendly eating utensils. And then ito, I'm sure, alam nyo na rin, transparent bag, okay? And then, except for laptop bags or sleeves. So pag laptop, kahit hindi transparent bag. However, for other belongings that you will bring in the bar site, no, venue, you should have your transparent bag. Doon dapat nakalagay lahat. Okay? Kasi ini-inspect yan upon entering the bar venue para mas madaling ma-inspect. Okay? So, read all the notices, all the instructions. Alright. And then, also read the list of required, permitted, and prohibited items. No? Isa-isahin nyo yan. Baka kasi may madala kayo doon na prohibited item. So, ano pa yan, makaka-delay pa sa inyong pagpasok kasi ipapasurrender yan doon sa security area. Okay. What else? Read about the instruction on no single-use plastic policy. Okay, so ito bago ito, no? So, aralin yung maigi, basahin nyo ano ba yung instructions dyan, no, ng ating 2025 bar chairperson tungkol sa what to bring, no, inside the bar venue. Ayan, yung no single-use plastic policy. Dapat reusable yung mga gagamitin nyo, no, yung mga utensils nyo, yung inyong mga baunan, okay, yung tumbler, okay? So, to minimize the use of plastics, no? Okay. For the bar materials, okay, so I've already discussed this in my last lecture. So again, to reiterate, do not hoard reading materials. Okay, baka ngayon, August na, ang dami niyo pang kinukuhang materials. No, stop doing that. Okay? Stick to the materials you've used during your fourth year review or during bar proper. And then limit to 1 to 2 materials or 3 kung gusto nyo may supplement materials pa. Okay? Limit nyo lang, wag masyadong nag-hoard. What else? Okay, of course, no? You know this. Codals, your reviewer, pinaka-importante. Okay? Read past 10 years bar questions and answers. Bakit ito importante? Para ma-familiarize kayo how the questions or how the laws, no, are being asked by the bar examiners. No? Paano ba yung kumbaga way of questioning in that particular provision of law? Okay, so yun yung importance of reading past 10 years bar questions and answers. And then, of course, read recent jurisprudence but check the cutoff dahil may cutoff period yan. And then Barcher's cases and your last minute tips and pre-week, okay? Next topic is all about Exemplify. So I'm sure by this time, you've already installed your Exemplify, okay, in your laptop. And be sure to answer all the sample tests, okay? And then be mindful of the deadlines when to submit the synchronous and synchronous sample test, no? So it is for familiarization on how to navigate this software, okay? So check nyo yung notice about that. Okay, so during bar examination, you may turn off your laptops prior to the 30-minute waiting game. Okay, so this 30-minute waiting game, ito yung time kung saan you are waiting for the password of that bar subject. Okay? So, wala kayong gagawin dyan, hindi kayo pwedeng lumabas dahil yan yung period na kayo ay mag-aantay ng password. Okay? So, this is during the bar exam proper. So, anong pwede nyong gawin dyan? Of course, you may turn off your laptops, pwede rin namang hindi, but make sure that you have your charger, okay, beside you. And then, calm your mind, okay, and then pray, during this 30-minute period. Okay? So, wala kayong gagawin dyan. Bawal din makipag-usap sa iba, bawal pumunta sa restroom, or sa comfort room. So, nakaupo lang kayo dyan sa inyong bar site room. Alright? So, upon accessing the bar questions, briefly scan how many questions are there to have an idea how long will you stay per question. So, for instance, if the exam is good for 4 hours, you may divide it into the questions. For example, 20 questions yung bar exam na yan. Okay, so 4 hours divided by 20. Okay, at least you have that idea how long will you stay in each question. Okay, baka kasi tumagal na kayo sa tanong eh, naabot na kayo ng 15 minutes or 20 minutes. So, manage your time well, okay? What else? Answer the question that you find easy. Pwede yon. Unahin niyo yung sa tingin niyo ay kayang-kaya niyo sagutan. And flag each question that you find difficult to answer. Okay. Meron diyang um, option, okay, in the exemplify where you can flag the question. So, meron yung pinipindot para makikita nyo alin pa sa mga tanong ang hindi nyo pa nasasagutan. Okay? So, you may skip difficult questions and go back to it no later on. So, check all the flagged questions and answer them. Alright? What else? Do not leave any questions unanswered. Okay, so ito yung pinaka-importanting tip. Okay, so kung nakalimutan nyo man lahat ng tip, ito yung wag nyong kakalimutan. Alright? Do not leave any question unanswered. Sagutin nyo lahat. Kahit na hindi nyo alam anong isasagot, at least try your best effort to present a logical and reasonable, no, answer. Okay, so make an intelligent response, have a legal basis, apply the facts to the case, and convince the examiner that your argument is valid. Okay, so what's the importance of this? Kasi kung wala kayong sinagot, wala kayong point. Malay nyo, may nasagot kayo, pwede pala na ilaban pala. So may 1 point pa rin kayo. So, 'di ba? So okay na 1 point kaysa wala. So this is very important. All right? Answer everything. Okay? So practice through your mock bar exams. Okay? And take them seriously. Why? What's the importance of mock bar exams? Ito kasi yung, kumbaga, tinitrain nyo ng sarili nyo on the exam itself. No? Ganito kahaba, ganito karami yung mga tanong. Almost the same yung length. Okay? So yung way nyo ng pagsagot, you will be trained, no, when you answer mock bar exam. So, I encourage you all to take, okay, mock bar exams. All right. Next topic would be how to effectively answer bar questions. Okay, Q&A. Okay, we have ALAC format. Okay, ALAC stands for answer. Your answer must always be direct, beginning with either yes or no. Avoid responses such as it depends or yes and or no. Okay? So dapat direct, all right? After stating yes or no, restate the question to complete your sentence. What else? So the following phrases may be used to introduce the legal basis. Ito naman yung letter L sa ALAC. Alright, so you may use under the law on sales or whichever is applicable law, under the civil law, under the civil code, under the law or jurisprudence states or the Supreme Court held that. Okay, so you may use these phrases. Okay. Okay, so if you are citing a codal provision and a jurisprudence, so you may state first the codal provision under the law on sales, and then after, yung further jurisprudence states that. So pwedeng combination, no, in one paragraph. Next, your application. When applying the legal basis, use the facts provided in the problem, including the names of the parties, the events, and other relevant details. Okay, yan yung pag-a-apply, no? So the following phrases may be used to introduce the application. Here, in this case, in the case presented, in the case at hand, in the instant case, or based on the facts. All right. For the conclusion is merely a repetition of your first sentence. Okay? So the following phrases may be used to introduce the conclusion. Thus, therefore, hence. Okay, yung tatlong yan, no? Pwede. Okay, so for a more comprehensive discussion on how to effectively answer bar exam questions using ALAC format, which I strongly encourage, all right, you may visit my lecture on my YouTube channel. Okay, so this is the title. Okay, so panoorin nyo na lang dyan. Andyan yung lengthy discussion ko about ALAC format. And then, I have presented no examples there. All right? So the link, no, I will um, indicate the link in my bio. All right. So you can see my separate lecture on ALAC format in this link. All right. So other bar tips, KISS, no? Keep it short and simple. Okay. Pag sinabing short and simple, hindi naman ibig sabihin one-liner lang. No? Hindi ibig sabihin ng concise, halos kakaunti lang yung sagot nyo. No. No? It's about being direct, no? In answering the questions. And then being responsive. Yun yung sinasabi na concise or ng KISS, no? Short and simple. Avoid lengthy and irrelevant discussion. Make your answer direct and concise. And then preferably avoid citing the case title and specific rule, RA, or article number of the law. All right. What else? Bar tips. Do not answer what is not asked. Okay, baka nagsusupplement na lang kayo ng sarili nyong facts. Okay, do not do that. Only provide the exception if the question calls for it. What else? If the question asks for an enumeration, provide first an introductory sentence or phrase, then enumerate the item. So, wag agad lagay lang yung enumeration. Lagay naman kayo ng first line, no? To introduce the enumeration para naman buo yung inyong paragraph. So in case there are two questions or issues in one question, answer them separately both in ALAC or the CLR format. So ito, may mga kinu-coach kasi ako, ito yung napapansin ko, no, dalawang issue sa isang tanong. Answer them separately, present them separately, huwag niyong paghahaluin. So be mindful, tignan yung maigi, ilan ba yung kino-contest, no, nung party, no? Ilan ba yung issue? So, address nyo sila separately para hindi siya halo-halo. Okay. What else? So, you may skip questions you find difficult, but be sure to go back to them. Again, to reiterate, do not leave any item blank. Manage your time wisely, and if you have time remaining, proofread your answers, check for grammar, spelling, punctuation, and other typographical errors. Okay, next topic would be the English writing tips. Of course, use proper grammar. Okay, so magti-take na kayo ng bar exam. Okay, make sure you know your subject-verb agreement because path to the dark side is what? Bad grammar. All right. And then what else? Capitalization. Of course, however small a matter, correct capitalization affects the reader's overall impression of the work. Capitalization is also important in writing to show readers the importance of specific words and to indicate change in meaning. So, this is our example. When referring to a specific act or law, so you may use, no? Have proper capitalization. Okay. What else when referring to a specific code? So capitalized, for instance, RPC, okay, Revised Penal Code. However, do not capitalize when referring to codes generically. For instance, the inspector cited the landlord for numerous code violations o code. Small letter lang yan kasi in generic term, no? Generic term that the code was referred. Okay, what else? Proper punctuation. Okay, proper punctuation marks in legal language are crucial because they can significantly alter the meaning of a legal document or statute. Legal documents are often complex and precise, so even a small mistake in punctuation can lead to misunderstandings, dispute, or unintended consequences. So what do we have here? Ayan, what if I told you punctuation is your friend? Okay? Why? The use of commas can change the meaning of a sentence entirely. Ayan, pag sumasagot kayo ng criminal law question, so yung punctuation nyo, no? The first part, the defendant, comma, who was not present at the scene, comma, is innocent. While in the second sentence, no, wala yung comma, na-omit. So magkaiba na agad ang meaning niyan. No? In the first version, the defendant's absence is an additional fact that does not affect the conclusion. Okay, so meaning, alisin mo man yung phrase na who was not present at the scene, the defendant is innocent. Yun na yun. Hindi maapektuhan yung conclusion na yun. Okay, however, in the second version, it implies that only those who were absent, so may qualification, may condition, no, from the scene are innocent, which could alter the meaning dramatically. Okay, so be careful with placing your punctuations. Ito pa, oh, let's eat grandpa. Oh my gosh! O, di ba? Let's eat grandpa. Pero pag nilagyan mo ng punctuation, alright, correct punctuation can save a person's life. Okay? So be mindful of this. Here. Okay. Do's and don'ts before, during, and after bar examinations. Okay, ano ba mga ito? Those before bar exam. Okay. Check the Supreme Court's bar bulletins or Office of the Bar Confidant, OBC, no? Bar bulletins and notices. Check your exam venue beforehand. Okay? So kung may time pa kayo siguro, you may have a ocular visit just to familiarize yourself. Okay? Pack your bag a day before the exam or early. Okay? Para ready na agad yung bag nyo. What else? Double check your permits, IDs, laptop, charger, no, etc. No? What else? For your bar kits, okay, make sure to have your what? Candies, no? Best biscuits, medicines, chocolates, etc. Kung ano yung mga food nyo dyan that are allowable, no? To be brought to the bar site. What else? Limit distractions, especially social media. Ayan. So, baka kayo ay isa sa guilty dito. Hanggat maaari, wag na kayong mag-check ng social media except for checking the notices of the Office of the Bar Confidant. Okay. Hanggat maaari, deactivate nyo muna yung inyong mga social media platforms. Okay, makapag-aantay mga yan. Okay, focus on your review. Focus on yourself, no? Unting araw na lang, bar examination na. So, avoid scrolling mindlessly through the reels, okay? Yung mga nakikita natin siya na mga post pa na marami, kung ano-ano, iwasan muna. Okay, makapag-aantay yan, alright? Surround yourself with supportive people. Okay, that's also very important. Social support. Affirm yourself, no? Believe in yourself. No? Kung hindi ka naniniwala sa sarili mo, sino pa ang maniniwala sa'yo? Alright, okay? So believe in yourself. You are doing the best that you can. You are giving all the effort that you can give. Okay, give praises to yourself. Alright? Get enough rest. So this is also important as discussed earlier. And then of course, pray. Okay? Pray to the Almighty o kung sino man inyong supreme being. Alright? To give you what? Guidance? Peace of mind? Okay? Ito naman, don'ts. Okay, don'ts before bar exam. What are these? Don't cram new topics at the last minute. Before the bar exam, ito yung a day before the bar, ha? So don't cram. Hindi na yan papasok. Okay? Hindi na yung papasok sa inyong isip, no? Kapag nagka-cramming na kayo. Don't rely on rumor leaks. Ayan, this is also important. Kung ano man nababasa nyo na baka ito po, ito si ang bar examiner, ito yung baka lumabas daw dahil siya yung bar examiner, ito daw yung lalabas ng mga tanong dahil ganito, ganyan. Please stop. Okay, don't rely on any rumor leaks. Basahin nyo lang kung ano yung materials nyo. Okay? Especially, for instance, day 1, date or date of the bar exam, may mga lumalabas dyan na ito daw yung itatanong, baka ito. Wag na. Don't mind those, or don't entertain, no? Those news, no, na hindi naman helpful sa inyo. And then don't overstudy the night before. Of course, you need to relax, okay, so that you have your energy during the bar exam. Don't panic, okay? So I'm sure you all feel anxious, stressed, no? But I'm sure during the bar exam itself, mawawala na po lahat ng kaba, no? Yung mind nyo, makaka-focus na lang yan sa mga tanong. Okay? So it is normal to feel nervous before the bar exam, but I assure you, during your bar exam, mawawala na yung mga kaba na yan. Okay? Kasi yung adrenaline rush nyo eh. kick, adrenaline rush nyo kicks in. Okay? So don't entertain negative thoughts. Okay? Manifest lang ng positive thoughts. Okay, next. Don'ts again, before bar exam, don't forget essential items. Don't be late. Okay, agahan nyo ha sa bar site. Don't bring prohibited items. Okay, don't eat suspicious food to not upset your stomach. Ayan, syempre, iiwasan natin no na mag restroom, no? During my time, nag-take ako actually ng diatabs, no? Just to precaution lang para alam mo na hindi ka tatawagin no call of nature during the bar exam itself. So effective naman, okay? Don't join stressful bar chats or toxic groups, okay? So leave that group chats if it is not helpful, all right? Don't downplay your efforts. Siyempre, you give your best efforts eh. So, dapat you are your number one supporter. Okay? Okay, ito. Those during bar exam. Ano ba yung mga kailangan gawin? Of course, you pray. No, yung 30-minute waiting time, yung sinasabi ko, you pray. Read the instructions carefully. Okay? Manage your time well. Answer clearly and concisely. Highlight keywords. Okay, so kung merong tool sa Exemplify to highlight keywords, pwede niyong gamitin yan. Okay? Or kung may binigay sa inyo na scratch papers, pwede kayong doon magsulat or any mga keywords lang para at least when you analyze, kasi ayan, will share to you, no? Pwede sa analyzation nyo, kung sanay kayo na sinusulat mo na yung mga importance, mga keywords lang, mga phrases, para mas ma-analyze yung problem, no? Para siyang visual aid nyo eh, okay? In analyzing, no? Or, yeah, analyzing bar problems. Next is review and proofread your answers if you have time. Okay, check for proper grammar, spelling, punctuation. Okay, stay calm. Okay, and then trust your preparation. Don'ts during bar exam. Don't leave any questions blank. Ayan, nakailang reiterate na ako dyan. Don't argue with the question. Baka sabihin nyo, mali yung tanong. Don't ever do that. Okay. Don't look at other examinees' work. Of course. Okay. Number one rule yan. Okay. Mind your own business. Oh, don't attempt to bring unauthorized material. So check the notices, the list required and authorized to bring only, okay, during bar exam. What else? Don't panic over difficult questions. Kasi pwede nyo namang balikan eh, okay? So, flag it first and then go back to it. Okay. Don't rush to finish too early. Ayan. So, kung may 4 hours naman, so manage your time kung kaya nyo siyang sagutin ng 3.5. Why not? Yung 30 minutes, instead of submitting your answers, use that 30 minutes to what? Proofread. Double check. Tignan nyo, baka may nakaligtaan kayo. So, huwag kayong magmadaling mag-submit. Okay? Hindi ito race. Alright? Don't be discouraged mid-exam. Ayan, kung mapanghihinaan kayo na loob, wag. Okay, ilaban nyo hanggang sa dulo, hanggang sa day 3. Okay, hanggang matapos. Okay? Finishing the bar exam is a feat in itself. Okay? What else? Those after bar exam. Ayan. So, pagkatapos na inyong bar exam, anong dapat gawin? Of course, rest and recharge. Okay? Disconnect from bar chats, no? Exam debates, suggested answers or predictions. Give your mind a break. Especially kung day 1 after ng day 1, magde-day 2 pa lang kayo. Iwasan nyo muna tumingin ng social media. Especially yung mga suggested answers. Kasi maalala nyo, maiisip nyo, bakit hindi ganun yung sagot ko doon sa nabasa kong suggested answer? Iwasan yung mga yun. So hanggat maaari, hanggat hindi pa tapos ang hanggang day 3 of bar exams, don't check any suggested answers, no? Protect your peace. Alright? Protect your mind. So remind yourself, it is out of your hands now. Wala naman na kayong magagawa eh. Alright? Kung iba naman yung sagot na nakita mo sa sinagot mo, wala ka naman na magagawa doon. As long as you know, inilaban mo yung sagot mo, okay? Logical yung sagot mo, may legal basis ka, then that's out of your control. Okay? Just pray for it. Okay? And focus on your next bar exam. Okay, so move on and focus on the next exam day. Here, don'ts after bar exam. Don't obsess over your answer. So, wag yun nang palit-ulitin sa isip nyo na ano nga ba yung sinagot ko dito? Kalimutan nyo na. Kapag katapos ng bar exam, kalimutan nyo na munang lahat. Okay, relax. Okay, give yourself a break. So, don't ask your friend, no, his or her answers, and don't immediately check forums for correct answers. Okay, hayaan nyo na, leave it to the bar examiners to check your answers. Hayaan nyo na, okay? Move on with your life and then antayin nyo na lang yung result. Okay, so that will be all. Okay, so I've discussed everything under our session review, and you may check my other YouTube videos for other comprehensive discussion. Okay? So my YouTube is Your Bar Exam Coach by Attorney Jen Estabilio. You may also reach me through Telegram at Your Bar Exam Coach 22. And then also you may follow me on Twitter or X at Bar Exam Coach 22. And you may also like no, my Facebook account, Your Bar Exam Coach. So I hope again you've learned something. So be mindful of all those do's and don'ts, okay, of all of the bar tips and techniques. And then pinaka-important is to pray and trust yourself. Okay, believe in yourself. Kaya nyo yan. Okay, so I am excited to welcome you all in the legal profession. Okay, so see you around.